Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Airtable, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find Airtable templates? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the Airtable templates anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have lots of different data sets to keep track of, and Airtable has various templates to keep track of those. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Airtable app. It's this colorful one here on the top center. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my Airtable app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my Airtable. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check to see what templates are available to you, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon here on the top left. Once you do that, you will see a drop down menu, and in order to get to the Airtable templates, click on this line right here called Explore Templates. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the different templates available to you from Airtable. So you can kind of just scroll through and see which one is going to fit your data set. So for example, this one I might use marketing strategy, but be careful because there's some that are really quite similar. So for example, that's marketing strategy, but if you scroll down a little bit further, you see content strategy. Now, once you found the one that fits your particular online business, then all you're going to do is just go ahead and click on it. So for example, frequent flyer numbers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the layout. So for example, this one, frequent flyer numbers, you're going to have your airlines, your hotels, and your rental cars there. So if this looks like something that would fit your particular goals, then you can go ahead and click on add this space here at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. So now we can go ahead and make edits to our Airtable template that we've set up. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find the Airtable templates, that is the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.